The Monkey and the Sun, short story. One summer afternoon, it was unbearably hot in the jungle. A monkey got very annoyed with the heat. He was continuously sweating. When he couldn't bear it any longer, he jumped off the tree and started yelling at Sun. "You foolish sun," the monkey said, "can't you see that you are roasting us alive?" The sun had never been yelled at, especially by a monkey. He got very offended. After all, he was doing his job. So, he hid behind the rain clouds and began to sulk. It started raining. The sun continued to sulk and rain for a week. Soon the whole jungle became muddy and squish. There was no sun dry the water. Slowly, the animals started falling sick. It was then that the monkey realized his foolishness. "I am sorry, dear sun." The monkey apologized uncomfortably. "Please forgive me." The sun began to shine again. Happy days were back. Moral: let each one do his job.